Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove green screen from your videos in Premiere Pro. This is going to be a very easy video. So first of all, you have to drag your video in the timeline. Once you're here, you have to select the clip. So this is my clip, as you can see here in the screen. Now you have to go to the effect center. If you're not able to find this effect option, just go to the windows and make sure there's a tick mark, right? And here in the search bar, you have to type ultra key, right? And here I will select this ultra key, drag it to my clip. So this is my clip, right? Once you drag it here in the effect control, you will able to see ultra key right here. Don't change anything, just go to the key color and select this icon. Once you select this icon, so I want to remove a green color, so I will go and select here. By the way, if you press control and hold in your keyboard, then it will take a bigger color pixel, right? So I will select here green. Now you can see that green has been removed from my clip, right? So by the way, if I just move my background clip here, you can see green has been removed. By the way, if it is not clear, then here you can do few changes. For example, in the matte generation, just click here and make sure you can just increase the transparency, right? And here you can just do the some kind of changes and it will remove the green screen very easily. Once you have removed the green screen, you can just add a background clip. For example, this is a clip here, and now I can just play it up. So this is very easy to do it. You can just remove green screen in just few seconds. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.